You guys go.
Join the next race. We've got 4 races tonight, but
Yep. Cheers, mate.
Dog of whiteness.
you're moving. You're rolling.
Let's go, Oggy.
Oh, I just go?
No.
No.
Yeah, you just go.
Love it. Nice try, boys.
Follow the call, Oggy.
I was meaning the race, Oggy. It's your night tonight,
Oh
Oggy.
shit! What happened there?
There we go.
Gentlemen.
Oh,
Please go.
okay.
Slowly,
Now we
slowly,
can go.
Slowly, guys.
Just remember not to pass the guy in front of you before the start-finish line, or you will
88 k's for the back. For the back.
drive-through or stop go.
Catch up to the... You need to carry. You need to get up to Oggy. Danny, move it.
You've been
Oh,
told.
Danny, too far back.
I'll probably hear
Sorry,
that a lot
Malcolm.
tonight.
Bloody hell.
Is it double file, sorry?
What?
Yes,
Double
double
file.
file.
It should be double file.
Double file.
It's not showing that.
Oh,
Now
it's
it's
double
telling me to get
file,
behind- Well, it's telling me to get behind Danny.
Saying,
but I don't know.
no, saying outside lane for me.
Who's number 8 should be on the outside?
He's allowed Jimmy T to pass on my screen.
Yeah, it'll get.
Ignore that.
It should say, please follow such and such inside line or outside line.
Well, it's telling me
Mine's
to
just
follow
saying,
Danny,
please
and
follow
he's on the
safety car on
outside.
the
I'm on the
outside.
inside, so that makes no sense. I've swapped from
Get up
Oggy.
there.
Am I on the wrong
okay.
side?
No, you're on the right side, but it seems to. That's suggesting like single file because
No,
I'm meant
it's-
to be behind Oggy.
Mine says outside lane, but it says follow
One
safety
says
car.
please follow
rather than
dickhead.
Danny.
So I'm in the right.
Get ready,
I'm in the
guys.
right
We're
one.
coming around to the start. The pace car's going to pull into the pits soon.
Yeah, just
Pay
don't
attention.
overtake Oggy before the line,
Yeah.
Danny, and I won't overtake Tim, and whoever's behind me, don't overtake me before the line.
Please
Please,
don't
guys.
get a go or green light or something.
You
You
don't
don't,
Guys,
seriously, you don't really think we're going to get through the first lap, do you?
Can you pass the guy beside you?
Trust me,
Uh,
No.
Oh, sorry, the guy that directly beside you. Yeah,
Yeah, I think you can.
Yeah. Not the side in front though. But yeah, you can pass the
The side in front. Fucking hell, Brandon.
There we
And
go.
not the
Just making
side
it clear.
behind.
Just making it clear.
You bastard.
Should be a go soon. Ready?
Oggy.
Green.
Green flag. Green flag.
Illegal. Stop
Yeah,
going.
That means you got to accelerate, gentlemen.
Yeah, Mike wasn't
Left
going.
side. Clear left. Left side.
What are you doing, Danny?
Clear left.
I've got a drive through.
Did you pass Oggy?
You're in the middle.
Must have.
What?
Hold your line. Clear left.
That sucks.
On your right. Clear all round.
I didn't think I did.
fine, mate. It's just a scrape. Yellow flag in
I
sector
didn't
3.
see you.
Well, gotcha.
Got it, mate.
Did you pass him before the start-finish line and then pull back again?
Green flag in sector 3.
No. I didn't think I did.
Oh, fuck. Sorry, I'm getting pushed from behind.
Oh, shit. Oh, I got
Sorry, Paul.
through. Oh.
It's alright, that's why we have.
Was that you, Ryan, that was giving me a nudge?
Nicely done, Rod.
All right, Tommy.
You.
Not even a lap.
No damage. Stay out. It's not that bad.
Can't believe
I'm behind you, devil.
Hold on tight, buddy.
Oggy, you're going backwards.
Yeah, I'm just positioning myself, mate. It's all good.
He's going to get the slingshot for the win. 20 something laps.
Sector 3 is
Coming
green.
up behind you, Oggy.
Yeah, mate.
Andy, you're okay for a push?
Bump coming
Yeah,
Rod.
man, dog Danny and unlap yourself in a minute.
Oh, what? Oh, on the inside of you, Oggy.
Alright.
Chris, put your foot down, mate. I'll help you
Coming
get
up to you,
to
watch out.
speed.
48.00.
Stay in there,
Good
Oggy.
news, Gordon's staying down low, so
That's what I like.
Up, Andy.
Lift off, Murray.
Car left.
Malcolm,
left.
sorry.
I'm not going to hit you.
Here I come, Murray. Here I come. Let's keep in touch.
Only the
Okay, here we go, mate.
Yeah.
Ready?
Harvard flat, Chris.
Hello, lads. You're moving over, Johnny. We'll stay low, lads.
Yeah, I'm staying right.
We need to get some heat into these brakes.
No, I don't need to get heat into the brakes.
you call him
Underneath
not
your time,
Gordo,
underneath your
because
time.
I can't see anything.
I am coming up to you right now. Oh, there we're getting glitches. Okay.
We'll go around the outside of Ryan.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll stay low.
P10.
Back down the inside.
We're catching you, Mike. Gonna need a bump, Augie.
Fastest lap for White, 47.48.
You're welcome.
I'll just fucking hook on the back of you guys and bump you along, eh? Who are we coming up on, Chris?
Oh,
Go left.
I'll go on to the back.
Alright. Just after Boots, White Dog, in case you haven't
Okay.
seen me. And if we can get enough cars, we'll just go straight past JT.
You're 2/10 off the pace in sectors 1 and 2.
How are you, Danny?
Sector 3.
Just trying to pick a draft off those ones in front.
Oh shit, Danny. Watch on
You're doing a good job, Gordon.
Hi, Mark. It's because you're making
And Augie,
Stay back from to make a mistake.
slowly catching them, Augie.
Go, Chris. He's catching us.
Need another bump, Augie.
Trying, Tommy.
Hey, you're doing good. Nice and smooth in the corners, so...
I'm just going to sit behind
Good
you.
too, mate.
Oh, Augie, I'm getting into you as well, so stay straight.
Sorry, Kev, I'm
Stay
trying to
straight.
get a bit of speed from these lads in front.
You're doing a very good job, Gordon. Keep doing what you're doing.
oh.
JT and Timmy, show you this one.
Come on, just fucking send it.
You had to say.
We're working on ruining
Yeah,
it.
then we'll probably take each other out now. You
Just
watch.
done it, 47.78. You've just done it.
I don't know what these blue lads are doing in front of me.
The pace in sector 1.
Just let us know where you go.
I will. We'll have to go on the outside, I think.
That's a new fastest lap for Lee, 47.
Need you to give
Make sure you guys in front are in line. Don't separate.
Well, just be
I've got a
careful,
slingshot,
lad.
guys. I've got a slingshot. Time.
Ah, far out.
Yeah, until you get
Slingshots
into
are
that
there.
air, devil. Until you
Make
get
sure
into
you guys
that air.
in one lane.
I know.
Sorry, gentlemen, they're all over the
No,
place,
not
all
your
over
fault.
the
Not your
track.
fault.
Gonna need another bump, Augie. They're
Let's
getting
stay low
away.
now.
Oh, devil.
We can unsettle him.
It's all good until you get in that dirty air.
Yeah. She's always a bit wobbly. I didn't want to get you. Then.
Oh, Augie, stay straight.
The guy behind has just done it, 47.75.
I'm gonna need some more bumps to get up there, fellas.
If you can stay high, Mr. Springer, stay high.
Captain
Just going on,
Steve.
mate.
Go around,
Thanks,
Danny.
bud. We're going low.
I can see
Sorry,
it.
mate. I just hooked that inside curve. Sorry, Andy.
Can you get a tap, Ryan?
Okay, Tommy.
When we
Yeah,
come
we're
out of the
cooking,
corner,
fellas.
I'll give you a bit of a bump, Chris.
Yellow flag, keep your wits about you, mate.
I'm sideways in the back straight if anyone's coming along.
Had to lift.
That lap was a
I'm constantly
48.29.
lifting.
Yeah.
I'm getting a good
Catching up
draft.
to you, Steve.
Yeah.
Steve, am I going high? Right, cheers,
Sorry,
mate.
Gordon. I'm not sure what happened
Going low, Augie. Going
It's
low.
alright, I
Yes,
don't know
mate.
what's happening. I'm getting pushed from behind somewhere.
there. No one was touching you, man.
Big slingshot. Inside, Steve.
On the right, Gordon.
Cheers, mate.
Okay.
Yeah, if you can stay
A
high,
lot
Miss
of air damage there,
Andy.
mate.
Cheers,
Bodywork
bud.
looks pretty fucked.
Yeah, mate.
Slowly catching Augie. I need a few more bumps, man. Coming up on you, Andy.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, stop slowing down.
I can't help it, mate. I'm not going to slam into the front.
I know.
You got it.
It's just that I'm using a left foot accelerator. I can't
Yeah.
get
Coming low, Augie.
Oh,
Cheers, Andy.
get on him, Og.
Coming on the
Tell me what
inside.
you want to do, Lammy.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
Right, pack's coming up, Boots. Easy.
Sorry, Stephen.
You're right.
Need a few more of those, Augie. We're slowly getting there. Come on, Tony.
I will grab you on the big straight. I don't want to knock Og out. Otherwise, well, I do, but I don't.
You mean it's not on this lap, eh? Maybe on the
Let's
last.
just work together until the end of the race.
Oh, I had to slam the brakes then.
Yeah, so did I.
We've got to catch him up front. They're pulling away again.
You're losing too much time.
I need you.
Someone else take
Here
the
we go.
lead. Tony, take the lead.
I need you.
That's not.
That's
not
it.
what
That's
the issue is.
better. I need
Here
that.
we go,
I need
here we go,
that.
here we go.
Here we go. I need that.
Alright.
I need it.
Jesus.
Right side.
Shit.
Right.
Uh-oh.
Oggy, hold it, Oggy.
Keep going, Murray.
Oggy,
Now I
get
need you, Tony.
No. I'm going to push you the whole way, mate.
Yeah, mate. I need it.
Ready.
Sorry, TV.
We're going to come by, James. Hook onto the back, mate. Copy.
You'll have time to drop
Latency issue with Ryan.
Yeah, I just saw that as well.
48.49.
I was right behind him when it happened.
I don't know why we're going slow with 5 cars in a row.
Oh, well, from what I can see
Gonna
behind,
give
no
us
one's
like
really staying in line.
Ready? Backing out.
Here's
I'm
Tony.
left foot accelerating and got my leg up and I've got my arms locked against my legs and my
wide.
steering's
You're
not
on the right.
moving.
Clear left.
I think we have to break past them, Lemmy.
Just do it and we'll just go on the end.
I'm on your right, Ryan. On your right.
Oh, good.
Come on, Gordon.
Yeah, I'm coming.
And I'm behind Gordo.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, will you get the blue flag?
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
No, no.
Uh-oh.
Catch it, Stephen.
Yeah, nah, it's all good. I'm out. Keep going.
Oh, damn.
Oh, bugger.
Ah, shit.
Oh,
Bloody
shit,
wall.
shit. Damn it. I'm not trying to pass. I'm just trying to
You got room, Devil. Pull back in.
I reckon we need to wait for Stephen to catch up.
Ah, it's alright. We're going to have a caution soon.
Oh, shit, that's right.
Yeah, 8 laps. You don't forget, Dev.
It's not lap 20 yet, is it?
On the wrong
Any
hand,
time
Ryan.
before lap 20.
It's a random number, isn't it?
Sector 3.
I'm in the middle of the track.
Start.
Get reverse,
Yep,
sorry.
big file during the caution.
Okay.
Right. Oh, wow.
High.
Down the hill.
Oh, this is just me. This is awesome. Oh, no, Timmy. Oh,
Didn't you see me? Jesus.
oh, Jesus Christ.
Off we go, Dev.
Clear left.
Oh, man,
bloody
you're going
hell.
backwards.
Oh, we're doing so well then, Paul.
Oh,
right,
right. Oh, sorry, fellas. I was trying to go the other way.
Oh, no. This garbage.
Facing the wrong way.
Alright, we're doing the right thing, Gordon. We're going to get him.
Car right.
Okay.
That was days of thunder.
Oh,
No, lucky dogs. Let's just keep
Watch
Well, that
it,
was the end of
boys.
that, Tim.
Yeah. Bondi, you've
That's
lost
why I
the
lasted.
JT.
On your right.
Have I lost the wheel, have I?
Clear
wheel.
right.
Bondi.
Lost a wheel.
The wheel.
That
was a huge crash.
I'm going to sit here. I'm not even going to attempt to do anything, so I'll just keep pushing.
Oh, that was disappointing.
Yeah.
I don't know who this is.
sorry, fellas. I was trying to get out of the way.
Gary.
Alright,
push me out the-
we'll go low.
Sorry, Bondi, Jesus. I'm out of control too.
We're going to go low, Terry.
Oh, I'll go high.
Alright, mate. We're going low.
Where are you, Paul? Come back for you, ready?
Yeah, I'm
coming for you, mate.
I'm coming back.
Trying to catch up. Trying to catch up.
Flag, sector 3. Sorry, Lammy, I missed
You were good in the front.
I thought I was free to stop in.
I was sitting on your ass the whole time.
Yeah, that's what I needed.
Lammy, so you can,
We were
They
catching
kept
up.
backing, everyone kept backing off you, and it's like, no.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll give you a tap, Terry.
I'm going to drag off these lads.
You got a bump, Tommy?
Must have some damage to
I'm bumping right here, so
No.
I'm doing
I've
good
lifted.
here.
Go in front.
You want me to go in front?
Go in front. Yeah, you're better in
Right.
front.
I don't know.
I've got 2 minutes to repair.
You're better from the front, Paul.
Another tap, Terry.
Oh no.
Hit you from the
You lose the
that's no
wheel.
good.
Down to 3 laps.
All right, we'll go down low.
I'll take that as a compliment, Tony. So
There's
thank you.
JT's coming, I think.
You guys
That lap time was 47.
catching it or are you behind? Like,
Car right.
We're
On
coming,
the
Tim.
left, 3 wide.
Going down
3
low,
wide,
guys.
view on the left.
Whoa.
Right side, clear right.
Going
You should have
down
just
low.
hooked on.
Oh, I thought you could hook on the back of us.
Drop in,
Oh,
Paul.
okay.
Drop in, Paul.
Paul's really good in the front, aren't you, Paul?
I don't
You
know.
see? You see?
Apparently.
Oh, that's nice. Oh,
That's because we're too close to the wall. It gets stuck into that wall. Come on, JT, flat.
shit. All right, now we get the 4 of us. Come on, give me a push.
Come on.
no, it's 3 of us in front. We got caught by 2.
Back off a little bit for
All
them,
right,
Paul.
here we go. No,
All right, here we go.
Flat.
Okay.
I'm going to hit you
B3.
Are we still racing or are you
right about now.
what? You backing
Race
off?
is still going, yes. Race is still going, yes. This is race control. Oh, there is a caution.
Oh, there's a caution.
Get out of the corner, Gordon. Let go.
Is there a caution?
Caution, please,
Caution.
please.
Oh,
Please,
left.
left, right.
Devil's at the
Oh,
front.
that
That's
was
handy.
awesome. Oh, you just can't hit. Third person can't hit.
Unsettled you. Yeah.
You were hitting me, weren't you, Ryan?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it as long as you
You
hit
can,
square.
as long as it's square.
And there's only corner.
We're slowing down to
everyone.
100, aren't we? Jesus.
Yeah, but
Drop to
once we
100
catch the
kilometers an
leader.
hour. 100 kilometers an hour. Stick
Once
to
we
the
catch
left.
the leader.
100
Coming up
kilometres
on
an
the
hour.
leaders. Coming up on the
All right,
leaders.
all right.
Who's the leader?
Hold your line.
I am. 100
Devil.
kilometers an hour.
Is it 100 kilometers an hour right now, or when you get to the leader?
When you get to the leader, surely.
You get to the line.
Get ready to slow down very
Right.
Yeah,
quickly.
go, Gordon.
Okay, so
We go past if you're down.
Slow down, Tone. Slow down, Tone.
Be in front of this guy.
All the cars on the lead
I'm
lap, which is
confused,
from
lads.
position.
Tommy will call out who's the lap down.
yep, so
I don't know
James.
whether
It's the
slow
car that
down
came
or
out of the
keep
pit.
going.
Who's that?
That's Jamie.
Jamie. So he's got to get going, yeah?
Everyone's
This
still
is
at the wall.
Tommy will call it.
All right, guys.
Finish
So
one, boys.
James, Steve, Jimmy, Danny, Tim, and
Jamie, you can
Tony.
pass them, mate.
Oh,
Jamie,
Just
you have to
everyone
pass
let
them.
Tommy
On
let
the
Tommy talk,
outside?
please.
Mike,
No,
Any
not
side,
yet.
mate.
Not yet until he calls it.
Oh, okay.
Is this where I'm supposed to be?
Just all get in a line at 100 k's an hour. Jeez. Not that hard.
We're doing 80.
The leaders to get on the lead lap, so.
Yep. So James, you go around.
We're doing
Steve
75 just to
goes
let you guys
around.
Mike, go around the track, mate.
thanks.
Mike, go around the track. Don't get in front of me, please. Go around the track.
What do you mean go around the track? I'm
Go
going
around the track. Walk onto the
Reflex sector
police
3.
cars. Whether on the
Go
leader,
full
you need to
speed
go
and come back
around.
on the back.
Fuck,
Yeah,
I didn't
yeah,
go
right.
around.
There, lads.
All
Someone
right,
slam the brakes.
Steve
We're
needs to
supposed
come
to be sticking at
by.
100.
Hey, what are you doing? Who's going around?
Steve needs to go. Jimmy needs to go. Danny
Okay,
and
all right.
Tim and
No, I'm
Jamie
all right.
Bond.
Your brake temps look
Danny,
good.
you're a
No,
lap
you
down,
gotta
buddy.
Unlap yourself, Danny. Yeah, lap down.
Yep.
Under
I did.
yellow.
Okay.
No, you're
You
still
go
laps
when
down,
you
Danny.
see
You're
car
still
23 go past, I think, Jamie.
Okay, so Steve, you're on the correct lap. So once you catch up, you're good.
Yep, thanks, Tommy.
Jesus, Danny.
I've passed on me. So
Jimmy,
1 and 2 now. Coming down the
Jimmy
back
is
straight.
good on his lap.
What are you doing, Mike?
I don't know.
How can I be going
Listen
105 and I'm
Tommy.
losing it?
So Tim,
Listen
you
to
got
Tommy.
one
No
more to
idea.
go, Tim.
Just come and join us down the back.
Getting our lap
guys.
back. That's all, Tim.
Hey,
What
Mike, go around and catch them up, Mike.
Crash, getting our lap back.
Yeah, no, I knew that, but I came flying around there and you were doing half rat power, that's
the
all.
leader.
So right
I
now,
think
it should be Tim and Jamie Bond are the only ones that are left.
We've got to do another lap.
I'm several laps down, I think.
Over down.
That's
Okay.
right.
What lap should we be on?
Just keep going around and you'll be told when you're
Just
on the lead
listen to
lap.
Tommy.
Oh, okay.
Slow down.
We're on
James.
lap 19, mate.
And keep
Yeah,
to the
but
right, work
people's
down
heads,
low.
people's heads say
100Ks.
different things, Tone.
100Ks.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
oh, we've
So you
completed
finished
19.
19
We're on lap 20.
Correct.
100Ks.
Are we supposed to be doing 100Ks?
Yes, 100Ks.
Because I'm doing 70.
Yeah, everybody, 100Ks.
Well,
It's a bit hard.
We're
Yeah,
smacking into each other, guys. Come on.
yeah.
if the car
Just try not to hit the car in front.
Yeah, we're having to
Close up
slam on our brakes.
Yeah.
Close up that gap, Mr. Anderson.
In the line.
All right.
Close up the end.
Tim,
slow
you
down,
got Tim, you got another go round.
No.
How many?
Caught up, haven't we?
Tim's
Listen to Tommy.
Tim's still one lap down, and we got Jamie at 3. So
Jamie's 3 laps down.
Yeah, I had
Yep.
2 minutes in the pits.
Oh, jeez.
there we
How
go.
many-
So
Were
Tim,
you,
you're
were you a naughty boy?
We're going to do one more lap under caution, guys. It's race control, one more
Lost
lap
the
under
wheel.
caution.
Righto.
You want to get in front of me, Jimmy?
Do you have to leave such a big gap, Toad?
Well, I don't know how I can be doing 115 and losing them when we're supposed to be doing 100.
They're going too fast, Justin.
They were going too slow before.
Yeah, 100 or thereabouts, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just
Somewhere
maintain
between 80 and
the gap.
120, somewhere like that.
This
Just
bastard's holding you up. You've got to find a way
get in line and
so
You
yeah.
all got dashes, yeah?
So Jamie's got
round, dog.
first.
You
First.
leading?
No.
No,
Devil's in
Devil.
front. Then Rod.
Yeah.
You don't want to start in first. You'll light up the tyres and go in the wall. You want to be at least second.
No pressure,
Do we trust JT? though?
we'll let Bondi go
I've
around
seen,
again.
yeah,
I've seen
Bondi.
it. All 3 Stooges do it.
Yep, Jamie, go ahead and go. Tim, you are on the correct lap, so fall in behind.
I'm going on the outside.
Roger.
Stay low for Mr. Bond to come past.
Boogity, boogity, boogity.
This is
Right.
race control.
Some boy.
The racing will continue at the start of the next lap.
When Devil goes.
Roger. Single file, double file.
Are we
Single
allowed to pass
file.
before the start-finish line?
No start, no. I mean, there's no penalty, but don't.
You're not supposed to?
before.
Okay.
Yep.
Can you get alongside or just not pass?
No. Oh, you can get alongside, but just not pass. Try not to.
Well, before the start.
Yeah.
Just try to be fair, in other words. Just go
Yeah.
single file.
I'm up to 130.
Come around me, Tim.
No, mate.
Dev can go
Alright,
now
alright,
if you want.
Yeah, no, after the...
That's
on
my
the
fault you're back there, mate.
Yeah, you
Allowed to warm your
bastard.
tyres up.
Devil Racer is free
It's all
to
good,
start
it
the
was-
race
Okay,
when he
Don't be
chooses
intimidated by this little
to.
shit.
It's a lead
Make him
car.
work for it.
Gordon, I'm going to be on your ass straight away.
Yeah, no worries.
Try not to pass if we can start finish line, guys.
Fucking hell. What's the... Oh, we're going, are we?
We're going.
What the fuck?
Go, Tone.
What the fuck?
Race director called the start leader can start the race when he's
Leader can
free
start
to.
whenever he wants in the last corner.
Listen,
Could someone...
That's right, Tone. I'll give you a nice little push, but
Maybe the leader should say go, go, go. Yeah, they should.
Yeah. Have a bit more
yeah,
fucking...
pay attention.
Yeah, that's
Too many
what
people talking.
See what's
No.
happening.
Well, you think crew chief would go? Say go,
No,
go,
the
go.
Right, temperature's
Crew
not
chief
good.
isn't excited to do it.
go
That's
low.
trying to get you up there, Malcolm.
Giving you a push,
Bit of
Murray.
tap. Auto boot.
Alright, here we go,
Coming
Tone.
in, engaging.
P3.
I'm going to touch those titties.
Let's do our own thing, Gordon. Go around them.
Yeah, I
Pushing you
think
again,
the same
Murray.
thing.
Go right. Still there.
Oh, shit.
Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Clear right.
Give me another tap, Malcolm.
Go again, Mel.
Yeah, I'm trying.
I'll get you up there, mate.
If you give me a bump, James, instead of trying to pass me, we'll bloody catch these fellas.
Catching them, guys.
Stay in this slipstream.
We're going to go high on you, Danny.
He's down the hit, Malcolm.
It's a train of 4.
Yeah, we got him, it's alright.
We can win this.
Oh, there was another one. Shit, you said 4. Sorry.
I just went low earlier than you did. I'm in low.
You said train of 4, I waited for 4 and then I went.
No, you're right, Tone. I should have pulled behind you.
Let us know what's happening, Lammy.
Yeah, we're catching him. We're on Matt right now.
I can't get him.
Bugger. I was going to give you a
We got a couple more coming up
I
behind us,
thought
boys.
I was going to hook on behind me.
Oh, right.
On your
This
left.
line.
Oh no.
Hold your line. You're in the middle.
Oh shit, Tommy.
Yeah, but they're disorganised. We can get them.
Hold your line.
I had a blank.
Hold your line.
Come on, Oggy. Give me a push.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Clear right.
I think just has to get as close as he can.
Whoa.
Hold your line.
Oh, they lost a couple.
They're gone.
Looking
Alright,
good.
down the inside.
Down to position.
Watch out, Devil.
Oh, you're not seriously
Oh,
going to try and come on there.
Try to get you, Rod.
We'll have to go on the outside, lads. Whoop!
Oh, they're coming, Rod.
Coming up, JT.
Sorry,
Yeah,
Brendan,
give
I
me a
almost
push.
took you out.
No, all good, mate. All good.
Yeah, that's it. We're catching them now.
The white dog.
I'm coming.
Andre is leading the race.
I'm going to try
Come on,
and just
Toke.
stay a metre from that line.
Oh,
Oh, it's a crash here, guys. Go low.
Low.
Go low. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Someone take me
Fucking
back.
hell.
Oh, I got the
Oh, that ended that race.
Oh, it's that
Oh,
small.
my God.
Oh, wow. What a last lap.
Nice.
Was that the last lap? Oh, I was that close to the finish. Oh,
No!
fucking hell.
But up, Paul.
Brendan, we gave that a good
Brandon's
go,
still
mate.
coming.
Mate, you are fantastic, buddy.
We gave that a really good go.
That was awesome.
I think there's
That
still
was
coming,
so good.
lads.
I went over the finish line backwards. Well done, Brandon, Rod. Well done. That was good drive.
Yeah, well done, Mr.
Brandon,
Anderson
Rod.
Boots, Rod.
Good stuff,
So far.
everyone.
Yeah,
Paul, Bruce, Rod, good stuff.
Yeah,
Right,
Paul, Brandon, Brown Dog.
Well done, Paul.
Wow.
Racing, lads.
How does
that
that
was
work?
awesome.
When someone takes you
Right,
out
that
of the
was-
last lap, how do you do a readdress?
You can't. Don't worry
Can't.
about it.
Luck
I
of
want
the
to
draw,
see
I'm
what
afraid.
happened there.
Oh,
Hey,
that's
JT, you
bullshit.
see the top 10?
I
It's
didn't
all
have
for
to be
fun,
wrong.
Mal.
That's NASCAR.
Yeah. It happened to me too.
Happens to the best of us in NASCAR, mate.
Yeah, I got bashed into the pit, so I got a DNF.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Hey Tony, where did you end up?
Hey?
11th.
11th.
Oh, way to go, Paul. Boots, Rod.
Well done, Paul.
Cheers,
Brandon, Rod.
Tommy. Cheers. That was good racing, mate. Good racing.
Damn, we almost
Gotta
had
have
you,
a bit of
Ted.
luck, don't you? Yeah,
Gordon,
nice.
I didn't realise you crashed at the end there. That's horrible.
I'm trying to see what happened up the front.
It is, mate.
Oh, they're all over. There's just people going left, right. Oh, my
You guys
God.
are flying.
I just watched a devil.